When dog attacks cause physical injuries to others, in some cases, the pet owner could be held liable.
And in other cases, maybe not. It may not be as clear. Dog bite statutes differ from state to state, but here in North Carolina, we have laws that have particular conditions and rules around dog owner liability. Fox 8's Justin Lundy has been looking into this. He joins us live after speaking with a lawyer after that dog attack last week in Greensboro. Justin, what have you learned?
Well, attorney Philip Oliver tells me he's dealt with several dog attack cases, and when they happen, he says the dog owner can be held liable if the dog has a history or if the dog owner is being negligent. This is Theo and his owner, who wants to remain anonymous. The two recently recovered from being attacked by another dog while on a walk in Atlanta.
The dog hit Theo, grabbed his leg, broke it, fractured it.
Theo's owner says they fully recovered, and the owner of the dog that attacked them spent a pretty penny for Theo's surgery through homeowner's insurance.
It's covering everything. It's been over $15,000 for both legs fractured and reset.
Greensboro attorney Philip Oliver is no stranger to dog attack cases.
Regularly, I'm handling them. I was just in court this morning on a settlement being heard for that related to a dog bite.
Guilford County Animal Services euthanized a dog Friday for attacking a Greensboro woman last week. According to Oliver, a pet can be deemed a dangerous dog by Municipal Animal Services if it has a history of being aggressive or attacking others. And the owner can be held strictly liable for damages from a dog bite. It all falls under NC General Statute 67.
Which means they don't have to prove anything beyond the dog was dangerous, it bit me, and they make a recovery. There are negligence standards where if the dog is not previously been deemed dangerous, you can pursue a recovery against the owner of the dog for having failed to live up to what a reasonable dog owner who knows or should have known their animal was dangerous would do. For instance, restraining them, muzzling them, or other things like that.
Oliver says there is a one-bite policy in North Carolina, and under that rule, a dog owner is not automatically liable for injuries caused by their dog unless the owner had prior knowledge that their dog could bite others. Reporting live in Greensboro, Justin Lundy, Fox 8 News.
Justin, thank you. You have one.